Hey Glam Dolls, so I'm here today in this video to do a Dollar Tree recap with you all. And if you're wondering what is a Dollar Tree recap, I recently uploaded a Dollar Tree video in a vlog style, just showing you all me in the store and, you know, me browsing through the aisles and picking things up. But within that video, I honestly never really did show y'all exactly everything that I brought. So this video is going to do that. First thing up, out the bag. Haha, I did show this in that video. This is the acetone nail polish spray remover. I've never seen an acetone spray nail polish remover before, so this was really exciting to see. I haven't used it yet, so if you used it, comment down below. Tell me what you think about it. Don't just watch my video. If you know you used something within this video, tell me about it. Next thing about the video, I picked up some more of my cucumber looking eye patches. OMG. I absolutely live for these things right here. Now, these are not real cucumbers, okay? No, that is not what they are. However, these are just eye pads that I keep in the refrigerator. And usually when I wake up super early in the morning or I'm having a very stressful tiring day, I put these on my eyes and it gives me such a cool, relaxing experience, and it helps to reduce whatever puffiness I may have going on around my eyes. So I picked up another one of these. I also picked up, I did show these in the video, these are my Global Beauty Care masks, okay? This one is a sleeping mask. You sleep in this mask. Yes, so I'm so excited to give this a try. Definitely doing a video exclusively on this one just for you all. And it is infused with hyaluronic acid. Global Beauty Care, $1 in Dollar Tree. Spa quality. You're never going to go wrong with it. So anyway, I'm so excited. So this is the highlight of my Dollar Tree trip. The next one is my clay mask. This is the clay looking mask, and this one is infused with vitamin A, C, and E. Okay, A, C, and E, and it's a clay mask that helps to draw out the nasty impurities that Mother Nature tends to throw your way when you be outside. Yeah, this is going to help get that up off your skin, and it's paraben free, and it's only for 15 minutes. So you got that right there. Oh, this was another exciting find. I found the Bolero facial toner in watermelon, and when I tell you this smells edible, this smells edible. So anyhow, it's watermelon and aloe, and this is a hydrating facial toner. You know, like after you remove all your makeup, you use this to help tone your skin. And did I mention it smells edible? Oh, it smells edible. This is the hydrator facial gel that goes along with the toner. Now, I've never seen these before, first time using them, and like I said, if you've seen something in this video that you know yourself you've used or you heard reviews about, comment down below. Don't just watch this video. Share your thoughts with me about the things that I'm sharing with you so we can share together. That's how this works. So anyway, this is that right there. So I'm excited to give those two things a try. I'm kind of like a skincare junkie at heart. So yeah, I'll be trying all kinds of skincare stuff. And speaking of skincare, this here is the dual-ended mask tool. So when you are applying your facial gels or your clay mask or whatever, this is a tool made by Yes2 that you can use. And it's like a rubber form. So it says it can be used to apply your favorite mud mask, clay mask, peel off mask, sleeping mask, DIY mask, and gel mask. That is what it says on the back, and this is what it's looking like right here. So I'm so excited to have gotten that. Next thing up, some more watermelon. This is the body oil. This is not new to my channel. Now this I have used a bazillion 10 times before, and several other scents that Bolero tend to have. this really does the body oils really do moisturize my skin. What I do is when I'm in the shower, or really the shower, because not the bath, when I'm in the shower, after I rinse off my normal wash routine, I spritz this all over my skin, or sometimes I just open the bottle and pour it in my hand, and then I rub it all over my skin. And you know, as I'm rubbing it in, I really make sure I rub it into my skin, and then I give myself a final rinse. And this locks in my skin's moisture to where, honestly, I don't even be needing a lotion thereafter, you know, especially if I'm going to bed. But anyhow, this is a godsend, a complete godsend, and I love it so much. I brought the cucumber and aloe one. Oh, this smells so good. Oh my god, I keep telling you, these smell edible. They smell so edible. I also got the cucumber and aloe facial gel. Like I said, I haven't used this before. If you did, let me know about it. Got that right there. Still with the skincare, okay, I picked up a moisturizing paper facial mask infused with coconut oil and sea salt. Yes, like I told you all, I'm like a skincare junkie at heart, so I'm be happy to use this. And it says here, this is for 3 to 5 minutes. You wear this mask. We are going to see. Almost over. Video is almost over. A few more things. Haha, I got the bath soak right here. You know, these are the bath soaks. So got this right here. And it reminds me of Epsom salt, but it smells incredible. Oh, I wish you could smell this. You can't smell that. Oh, the watermelon. Oh my gosh. Honey, I keep telling you all, stop sleeping the items that's sold in your local Dollar Tree. If you are an avid Dollar Tree shopper, perhaps you know what I'm talking about. But if you're a newbie passing through, and especially if you're seeing me for the very first time, you need to hit that subscribe button, because I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look, and who love using quality spa products without spending the quality spa coins, you know. Anyway, now my video is coming to an end. This sucks. Okay, this is over. 2 things. So a fortune pin. Why? Because it's a novelty item, and you know, you press the cap, it tells you, ask it a question, you press the cap and it gives you an answer, like the magic 8 ball, but this is a fortune pin. And the last thing is my digital watch. Now this here is a digital LED watch. It just keeps your date, your time, and stuff like that. I think it tells you how many steps you took or something to that effect. I'll let you know what it's all about, but that's about it. This now concludes my video. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this Dollar Tree recap video. I kid you not, I have another video coming. In fact, it's going to be this Dollar Tree video, because you know I went in on the artificial nails, which is coming up next. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in this video that's coming up shortly. Later, dolls.